Today we are going to discuss economics lesson number 4, food security in India. We know today the world are facing the problem of health related issues and natural disasters, as well as the problem of prices increasing during this lockdown period. Still, in our country, all the peoples are getting the sufficient food. Why? Because the government having the stocks of food grain, and government made this provision after the one incidents we are going to discuss in detail afterwards. But before that, we'll discuss about the concept of food security. The meaning of food security. What is meant by food security? It is defined as food security exists when all peoples at all time have physical, social and economic access to sufficient, safe, nutritious food which meet their diet needs and food preference for an active and healthy life. It has three dimension. Food security has the three dimension. These dimensions are availability of food. What is meant by availability of food? It means food production within the country, food imports and previous year stock stored in government godowns. The second dimension is accessibility. It means food is within each of every person. And the third dimension is that the affordability. It means an individual has enough money to buy sufficient and safe food to meet one day's diet needs. In short, the food security means availability, accessibility and affordable to all people. Collectively, these three dimension is known as food security. Now, the food security, how to ensure? The food security is ensured in a country if enough food is available for all the person and all persons have the capacity to buy. It means having the sufficient money to purchase the food, and if there is no any barrier to purchase the food or to access the food, then it is known as there is a food security. It is available to all the people having the sufficient money and the food is getting easily. There is no any barrier to purchase the food is known as the food security. Now the question is that why food security? Why the government made the law and what is the importance of the food security? In our country, the population is day by day increasing, and due to that one, the government responsibility is that to give the sufficient food to all the people. Our country having the different kinds of the people on the basis of their income. Few are the rich people, middle class people, and poor and poorest of the poor people. The poorest section of the society might be food insecure. Most of the time, while persons above the poverty line, those having the sufficient income, those having the above the poverty line, also food insecure when the country face national disaster, calamities like earthquake, drought, flood, tsunami. In this period, the failure of the crop causing the famine, and we are facing the problem of food security today also due to the natural calamities. That's why in this period the food security is important. Now, how it is affect? How drought affect the food security? Drought, it means that the scarcity of water, due to that one the productivity of the food grain, it is decreased. There is a cycle. The drought affects the food security in this way. Drought take place and total production of the food grain decrease. Due to that one decrease in food grain, there is a artificially the shortage of the food, or naturally shortage of the food in the affect the areas. Food shortage will be arise a new problem. During that period food shortage, in the market prices of the food grain goes up. It is known as the inflation, prices increase. And due to that one increase the price, the some people cannot be afford to buy food, and they belongs to the food insecure categories. In this way, drought affect on the food grain. Total production decrease, shortages in market, then price of the food grain increase, and the few people cannot be buy the increase of price food grain. Then the new problem arises, the starvation. The starvation means what? If such a calamity happens in very widespread area, or and it affect over a long period of time, it may cause a situation of starvation. The people are not getting the sufficient food, they cannot be buy, and if this situation stay in long period, then the starvation situation occurs, and then the continuous starvation in turn into the massive starvation might take a turn of famine. The characteristics of the famine: during this period, widespread death rate increased, people died, and then epidemics spread throughout the area during the famine period. The few peoples are not getting sufficient food in our country, the poorest of the poor people. Now in this lockdown periods, the peoples are not getting the sufficient food. but in our country, the other hand, we will be found the another picture you have to see. In this picture, it shows that one societies they are enjoying the food. They are having the sufficient food. They are consuming the high nutrient food, as well as they are ignoring their duty as a citizens. They are throwing the food in wastage, and the another way, another side, the people are not getting the sufficient food. Therefore, I suggest to you, don't wastage the food, and if you having the sufficient money, sufficient food, help to the poor people, give the food and help them. This is your responsibility. Now see, we'll turn the second point. Before that, see, the famous economist and the Nobel Prize winner Amartya Sen, he said that drastic food causes massive starvation and famine. He wrote in his fad theory, the famous Indian economist Amartya Sen. Now, famine and starvation death in India. Few facts are the famine occurred in our country. It is reported in West Bengal 1943, and it affected the Indian people. In 1943, near about 3 million people are died in that famine. Also, it is reported in Bihar. Famine reported in Bihar 1966 to 67, and in that famine, near about 2,353 deaths due to the starvation reported. It is not only reported famine in our country, Bengal and Bihar, starvation deaths have also been reported in Kalandi and Kashipur in Orissa state, Baran district of Rajasthan, Palamu districts of Jharkhand, and many other remote area during the recent year. And due to the starvation and famine, the peoples are died in our country. Therefore, the government made the law, food security law, and storing the food grain in their godowns. We'll discuss later, and this is a real situation. Now, my dear student, your activity. You have to just read the introduction part of this lesson, and you have to find out the few questions answer. Your activity is that at home. Activity number what do you see in picture 4.1? Just observe the picture, read that picture, and express that picture, explain that pictures, what that picture is saying. Second is that which age group is seen in the first picture 4.1. Third activity, third question, can you say that the family shown in the picture 4.2 is poor family? Why? And last question, last activity, gather some information about the famines in India. The remaining parts We will discuss the next period. Thank you.